Planning an audit involves establishing the overall audit strategy and developing an audit plan. Often, there are disconnected manual processes within the engagement workflow that involve the management of PPC requests, financial statements, and more. Caseware Audit provides a whole new way to manage the audit process. From associated communications and client requests, to risk assessment and value-added analytics, auditors can now move their focus to the right areas of each audit engagement and ensure work is not over or under-audited. Aside from this, auditors are empowered to efficiently and effectively complete their audit engagements with built-in tools and add-ons that centralize materiality, risk details and misstatements, provide true statistical sampling, allow for continuous risk reporting. The result? Audits are completed faster, providing higher quality results for the client and time saved on each audit performed. Revolutionize the audit process and focus on areas that matter. Caseware Audit.